Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting Edge ready. Update the browser and sign into your Microsoft account. Once done, make sure Windows or Mac OS has a working connection and any multi-factor prompt ready. Then open Edge and go straight to Settings. This saves time and ensures the Secure Network option appears. You're not installing anything extra. You're enabling a built-in feature that routes traffic for privacy. Now proceed to the actual Secure Network controls to turn it on. You'll navigate Settings, then Privacy, and find Secure Network. Use the search box to jump there faster. Turn the toggle on and accept Microsoft's permissions. This allows Edge to route web traffic through the service for privacy and IP masking. If it asks, pick a virtual region or let it auto-select. Note any data limits shown so you don't hit caps unexpectedly. This step creates the VPN-like tunnel inside Edge rather than at the system level, which is why you'll finish by verifying the shield icon next to the address bar. That shows Secure Network is active and your IP is masked. If the icon doesn't appear or pages fail to load, restart Edge, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication, and then try again. Make sure no privacy extensions or system VPNs conflict. Disable them temporarily. If needed, update Edge to eliminate bugs. This resolves most issues, so the built-in VPN-like service runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.